Hi, Elena. How are you?
I'm fine. And I'm the second one who joined today.
What?
I'm the second one who joined today.
Okay, so yesterday we stopped at this one and this one, this one. Okay, we start with number. Did you solve the exam in the on the website, yeah, Elena? Hi, Elena.
Yes, I solved it, but I didn't have many time left to solve it. Please put in a new exam, but with more hours, so you can just solve it.
The exam has the kangaroo exam has also the same time.
Right.
I want you to be faster. Try to solve faster, okay?
Now the 5 balls shown on the left.
Sure.
You see 2 in the directions indicated by the arrow. Consider
This one. The 5 balls shown on the left began to move. Read again. Read, ya, Elena.
5 balls shown on the left began
Okay.
to move simultaneously in the directions indicated by the arrows. When 2 balls going in opposite directions collide, the bigger ball swallows the smaller one and increases velocity by the value of the smaller ball. The bigger ball continues to move in its original direction, as shown on the right example. Left is the final result of the collisions of the 5 balls shown. So there are 5 balls on the left.
Yeah.
And they begin to move with their arrows. So 20 solves 7 and it becomes 27. And 7 solves 3. And the 3 becomes, and 3 plus 27 is 30. And the 9 joins in sideways and they become 39. 39 plus 10 is 49.
Okay.
So the answer, so next is the one on the right. 11 and 4 collide, they become, first we start with 11 and 4. And 11 and 4 become, it's 15, and 15 plus 15 20 is
Okay.
so first 5 plus 5 is 10, so we put a 0 here, and then up goes 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2, so it's 20. So last thing is 49 plus 20. That becomes 49 There's 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. So it's 69. But the final answer is 49. But which direction? So I think it is. So I think, teacher, it is 49 in the E one.
To the right?
Yeah, I think that's it.
By why to the right? Why not 49 to the left? The ball moves the side for the big number.
Oh, the 5 big one?
Move to the side for the big number. The kangaroo is easy, but you should read the problem very well and try to understand what he wants, what he needs from you. And after you understand, you should find the easiest and the fastest way you can use to solve. Because he gives you a lot of problems, and the problems could take a long time, but you don't have very long time.
Yeah, so I guess you should, change the time to an hour or something.
Okay. Read number 12.
13, you mean?
Yeah, I'm sorry, 13.
In an ice cream shop, there is some money in a drawer. So after selling 6 ice cream, there are 70 reals in the drawer. To sum the total of 16 ice cream, there are 120 reals in the drawer. How many reals were in the drawer at the start?
Okay, what do you think?
I think it could be 20. So you just have to choose the lowest number. So the sum equals to 20. Or maybe it could be 30 or 40. You don't know.
So, how you know it's 30 or 40?
Well, because next is 70. The lowest number to 70 are 40, 30, or 20. So it must be 20 or something.
Here, in ice cream shop, there is some money in a drawer. After selling 6 ice creams, there are 70 reals. There's some money, I don't know how many, and much money. Then I will say we're selling 6 ice creams. All of this for 6.
So it must be 10, but there's no answer.
No, of course the answer in the choices.
So maybe 20.
After selling a total of 16 ice creams, there are 120 real in the drawer. After selling total of 16 ice creams, there are 120 reals in the drawer. 120 ريال in the drawer after selling 16 ice cream. So what?
Alright. So now I think that is 50.
50?
Yeah. Maybe it
Why?
could be.
Here, after selling 6 ice creams and some money, we have 70. After selling 16 ice creams, we have 120. I want to know the amount of money before they start to sell ice cream. The money in the drawer before they start to selling.
So if there's 0 ice cream sold in the first place,
I don't know I don't know the amount of money. If they have 0 ice cream, if they didn't sell anything, I don't know what is the money they start with. But the only thing I know that after they sell 6 ice creams, they have 70 real, and after they sell 6, the total is 16 ice cream, they have 120 real. How?
Miss? I think we subtract the
What?
120. 120, but first we add 16 and 6 with each other.
We add what?
First we add 6 and 16 with each other.
Add? Why you add?
So we can have the total number of ice creams that was sold. So we can.
This is the number of ice cream is 16 ice cream. 16 ice cream with the amount of money in the drawer equals 120 real. 6 ice cream with the amount in the drawer equals 7 real. So what I would do?
I think we subtract 70 and 120. And we will get the answer.
Okay. Here we will say 120 minus 70 equals what? I have here 6 ice cream. I will make it 6x equals 70. And 16x equals 120. I will subtract them. 120 minus 70 equals what? I should know each ice cream cost what? If I know each ice cream cost how many real, I can know what is the number of money inside the drawer. Who solved with me? 120 minus 70.
Excuse me, may I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, of course you can.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Who else? Rima, Noura, Elena.
Teacher, 120 minus 17
equals
I think equals, wait a minute,
Okay.
equals,
Yeah.
let me count. Miss, I know what was in there the first place.
What?
It was the answer is 50.
So 120 minus 70. Oh my. 120 minus 70 equals 50. And
150.
so I will say here, from 6 ice creams to 16 ice creams. How many ice creams?
I told you it was 50. That was the whole time.
No, no, this is not the final answer. I will say 16 minus 6, 10 ice creams. 10 ice creams cost 50 real. So one ice cream cost how many real?
Ice cream costs 10. 5?
No, 10 ice cream costs 50.
15.
So one ice cream costs
5.
5.
10.
Yeah. One ice cream costs 5 real. One ice cream costs 5 real. So you know how you can know what is the amount of money inside the drawer. What you will do? What you will do? Anyone?
One ice cream equals to 5 reals. Okay.
Yeah, one ice cream equals 5 reals. And 6 ice creams with the amount of money equals 7 reals. How you can know the money in the drawer? What you would do?
Teacher, what is the question? What multiply by what? Or divide by what?
I said for you how to get the price of one ice cream. I want you to find the amount of money inside the drawer. This one is what?
Ice cream. Okay. Okay. Miss, the answer I think is 64.
What is 64?
6 plus something equals 70 ice cream. Equals 70 reals.
So, and I know that each ice cream cost what? One ice cream cost what?
One ice cream costs 5 reals.
So,
and the question mark plus 6 ice creams equals 70, and the question mark is 64.
we don't have 64 in the choices. What you will do? The ice cream cost 5 real. So 6 ice creams cost what?
Miss, the answer is 30.
So the money in the drawer, 30 equals the 70. So what is the number in the money in the drawer?
The money in the drawer? Is it 64?
How 64?
I mean, for the first one. For the second one, Miss, I think it's 40.
Yeah, it's 40. So it's 40. This one, who read?
Can I read? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. The koala at some levels from 3 friends. Okay. Each friend had 20 levels. The koala at a few levels from the first branch, and then ate at as many levels from the second branch as were left on the first branch. Then it at 2 levels from the third branch. How many levels in total were left on the 3 branches?
What do you think?
So are we gonna
What?
multiply? Oh no, wait.
The koala ate some leaves from 3 branches. Each branch had 20 leaves. The koala ate a few leaves from the first branch and then ate as many leaves from the second branch as were left on the first branch. Then it ate 2 leaves from the third branch. How many leaves in total were left on the third branch and the 3 branches? What do you think? The first branch, here he said to us it ate a few, I don't know what is the number, a few leaves from the first branch and then ate as many leaves from the second branch as were left on the first branch. This is the second branch. And then ate 2 leaves from the third branch. Third branch only -2. Each branch had 20, so 20 minus 2, 18. The third branch has 18 leaves. What is the total number of leaves on the branches? What do you think? Anyone?
Can you repeat?
Okay. The koala ate some leaves from 3 branches. I have 3 branches. I don't know what is the total number of the leaves the koala ate from the 3 branches. Each branch had 20 leaves. Each branch had 20 leaves. The koala ate a few leaves from the first branch and then ate as many leaves from the second branch as were left on the first branch. So if the koala here ate 2 leaves, the koala will eat the rest of the leaves from the first branch. If the koala ate 2 leaves from the first branch, so how many leaves left? 18, because the total number of leaves is 20. So the koala would eat this 18 from the second branch. This is for example. I know that the third branch has 18 leaves left. Why? Because the koala ate only 2 leaves. So 20 minus 2 equals 18. What I will do to know how many leaves in the first and in the second branch. If you understand this one, this sentence, you know how to solve. Until here, if you understand this word, you will know how to solve.
So he ate in the first one few, and then the second one as many he can.
No, the same number rest on the first branch.
What? Your sound is laggy.
The koala second branch ate same number left from the first branch.
Okay, is it gonna be? Did he? Wait. So it's 20 in every branch. There's 20.
Yeah, in every.
And then, but the third one, is it 22? Is it like 20, the same of them? 20 or what?
No.
Okay, then.
What do you think? Any one of you?
Okay, so are we gonna minus like or like add?
What do you think? The koala ate from the first branch some leaves, and in the second branch, the koala ate the same number left on the first branch. What do you think? So the first branch and the second branch will give us equals how many leaves?
Okay. Is it like a wait, so is it like the answer? So 20. How can it be like
what? If the number is what?
I mean so 20. You want me to minus or add or multiply or divide?
What do you think? Last branch has 18 leaves only. So the first and the second branch has how many leaves? The koala ate a few leaves, not all of the leaves, only few leaves from the first branch, and ate as many leaves from the second branch. So if the koala ate 5 leaves from here, the koala here will eat the rest. 5 from 20, 15. So the koala here will eat 15. So together they have what? The 2 leaves together will be 20. Because the number I take it from here, I will complete it from here. So 20 leaves from the first and the second branch and 18 leaves in the third branch. 20 plus 18 equals what? Equals what? 20 plus 18?
38.
Yeah, so the answer will be E, 38. Number 15, who read and solve?
Teacher, we did this.
Yeah, I know we did all of this. This is revision. Because inshallah on Wednesday and Thursday we will solve the exam. We will solve this one.
Can I read?
Okay.
Read.
Read.
On a tall building, there are 4 fire escape ladders. 4 fire escape ladders. As shown, the highest of 3 ladders are at their tops. What is the high of the shortest ladder? Like, you mean like, are we gonna do from the highest to the shortest ladder? Or what?
Think. On a tall building, there are 4 fire escape ladders as shown. The height of 3 ladders are at their tops. What is the height of the shortest ladder? This is 48, 36, and 32. What is the height for this ladder? You can use any one of the 3 ladders to know the height of the shortest ladder. You think how we can know?
Are we gonna add, like, for the 32 we add 5 to be 36? Or what? Teacher?
Yes. What? Tell me.
Sarah in the chat, she said her mic not open, and she said the answer is 14.
But anyone answer? I want to know how you get the answer. But the answer is 14.
Add, like, for the 30 we add what to be 36. Are we gonna add like?
It's not 14. She should think again.
Okay, are we gonna add? Again, we are gonna add 4 to be 36 in the 30. For the 48, we're gonna add the 36 to be 48, or what? Is it like this?
Mm.
And then we're gonna do here. شوفي هذول عشان if you finish you put it. This. سكر. يا ويلك مني من رجلك.
What?
رجلك.
Think. Anyone
Teacher,
think about something? Yeah.
teacher, it
Yes.
is 14
Why 14? Tell me why.
because I counted the lines, the this, and it is up to 14. The 32 it is correct because I counted 32, and 36 it is correct because I counted 36, and 48 also correct because
Yeah,
I
they are correct. I want
counted
to know this height. The height for this
14.
letter. I didn't say it's not right. This is right.
It is 14. Teacher, teacher, because we counted the ladders. In the middle there is like I think just one thing. And when we count them, it's 14.
What do you mean when we count them?
This one, look. So 32. The ladder, there is 32 here if you count. And here it's 14 because we counted the ladder.
This is 48 and this is 36 and this is 32. I can use any one of these two letters to know what is the height of this letter. This letter starts from here, like this one. Start from the same wall, like this one. But here, 36 complete to the floor, but this one stopped at here. I know the total is 36. But what is the length for this one only? And I can use 32. 32 starting from here, like 48. Like 48 until here. Stop at here. Stopped at here. If I know the length for this one, I can know the length for this one.
Teacher, is it 22?
No. From here to here. This is the height for this is 48. The height for this is 36. The difference between them is only this part from here to here, right? From 48 to 36, this is the only part we don't know, we don't have. So the height for this part is what? This letter starts from here. So this part, 36, of course. This letter from here to down to the floor is 36. So this part also from here to the floor, the height is 36. This part is what? The height for this part is what? What do you think?
16. Miss, I think it's 14.
14. The height for this one is 14, or this part is 14?
No, the letter, the part for the letter with the question mark.
This only 14?
Yeah. Yeah, I think.
Yes, teacher, 14. How I know it? Because I counted 32 and 48 and 36. So I know that it is saying the count, the leaders that it the count that the leaders that have. So I counted 14.
I ask a question and no one answered me. The height is 36 here. So this part, the height for this part is what? This part. 2 question marks here. Huh? The height of this part is what? The total is 48, and this part only is 36. So this part is what?
What? Like, what do you mean?
What? Again. Why he gave us this 3 letters? Of course, he gave us this 3 letters, the height for this 3 letters, so I can use them to know the height for the small letter. I said here, I will look at the 36 and 48, these 2 letters, okay? I want to know this part, the height for this part, from the top until this one, is what? How I know? This part, like this part here, the same part. I know that this letter is 48. And this part from here to down 36. How I know it's 36? Because this letter in the same line, you see, the same line until here, the height is 36. So this part is 36. And the whole letter is 48. So if I said 48 minus 36 equals what? 48 minus 36 equals what?
Wait, let me try. Um, 12.
Yeah, this part 12. Okay, so this part also 12, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this letter from up to down is 32. This part is 12. So the rest is what?
Wait. When you ask us a question for the 48 minus 36, I answer it or it's 40. It's 40.
It's what?
Is it 12? Is it 12?
This part is 12. And the whole letter is 32. So this part is what? The height for this part is what?
Oh my god. Teacher.
Yes.
Okay, that's it. I can.
You will say what minus what?
Okay, Okay. So the answer now. So 12. 12.
How 12? This part is 12. I don't need this part. I need this one. So it will be
The one who have a question mark with the one beside it that's colored in the red.
this one.
Okay.
Okay. The whole letter is 32. So what the height for this part only is what? You will do it.
What? So is it 20?
Yeah, finally. It's a 20.
Oh, I was counting wrong. Okay. Because this is so small and my eyes is like.
Okay, number 16.
Can I answer? Can I answer?
Number 16. Yeah.
Nora plays with 3 cups on the kitchen table. She takes the left hand cup, flips it over, and puts it to the right of the other cups. The pictures show the first move. What do the cups look after 10 moves?
What do you think?
I think that when she moves it, the left hand, I mean the left cups, the left cup, then she flip it. So wait, let me do it 10 times.
Mm-hmm.
Miss, I know the answer.
What is the answer?
The answer is B. The answer is B because first we start from the cup on the left. Because first move is flip the first cup, then the middle cup will be flipped upside down, then the right cup, and then from back to forward. From left to right, I mean. And so at the last step, at the last move, which is move 10,
Yeah.
the right cup will be facing up.
So the right choice is
B.
Yeah, it's B. Except number 17.
Can I?
Yeah, of course. Of course.
Okay. Fatima has the 5 stickers.
Mm-hmm.
She stick one of them on each of the 5 squares
Okay.
of the board. So that is not on square 5, is on square 1, and is adjacent to a circle and triangle. On which square did Fatima stick the flower?
Okay. What you would do to know the answer?
Do like count here up. From Fatima has the 5 stickers, and then I count them here so that
she stuck one of them on each of the 5 on this board.
the star her place in number 3.
What?
The star the place is not number 5, so is it number 3?
Of course, it's not 5. The apple is the square one, and the flower is adjacent to the circle and the triangle.
Okay.
So the flower should be between the circle and the triangle.
Okay, then, so they said that apple is in square number 1, and then the star.
The star could be any number except 5.
So is it
It's
number
on a
3?
square. This is the apple. He told you the apple is square one.
Okay.
And
The
the flower
star
should be between the circle and the triangle.
The star, I am gonna put it number 2. And
Number
then the
Okay.
circle or the triangle number 3, and then the flower number 4, and then the circle number 5.
So the flower will be on each number. Which number?
It will be in number 4.
Yeah, okay, that's right. So number 18. Who wants to read number 18?
No one.
Yes, of course. Read.
7 cards are arranged as shown. Each card has 2 numbers, on with one of them written upside down. The teacher wants to rearrange the cards so that the sum of the numbers in the top row is the same as the sum of the numbers in the bottom row. She can do this by turning one of the cards upside down. Teacher, can I answer for this?
Okay, give her. Wait. Who said can I answer? Noel also?
No, me.
What?
When I read the number 17, teacher.
I can't hear you well.
Teacher, I didn't
Say again.
understand it. Teacher, I understand.
Who said I didn't understand?
Me. I am right. Can I answer for this?
Okay, I will do it. 7 cards are arranged as shown. Each card has 2 numbers on with one of them written upside down. Oh my God, wait. We have bad connection, I think.
Teacher, try relieving and rejoin again.
It's only 3 minutes left.
Yeah, you're right, 6:57. Two minutes left.
Yeah. 7 cards are arranged as shown. Each card has 2 numbers on, with one of them written up down. The one their teacher wants to rearrange the cards so that the sum of the numbers in the top row is the same as the sum of the numbers in the bottom row. She can do this by turning one of the cards upside down. Which card must she turn? One card only. We will make it upside down.
I know.
To make the sum of the number top the same sum of the numbers down. What?
I know.
Okay, tell me.
So is it, look, so he said we are gonna flip it and we are gonna let it the same number, like it's the same but nothing is changed.
Oh,
And the down number, we are gonna, we want to flip it so we can see it. So is it E, because the 8 is the same shape if we flip it. So is it E?
Is it what?
So is it
Yeah, it's number E. It's the letter E.
yeah, letter E.
Yeah.
Because the 8, if we flip, like nothing is changed.
Okay. Tomorrow we off, inshallah. We will back on Tuesday and Wednesday. On Wednesday and Thursday, inshallah. Okay.
Bye, teacher. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye, miss.
Bye, guys. Bye.